All right, everybody. Welcome to Cooking in the Hotel with Casey Grandpa. Tonight we got, some good old rice-a-roni, $1. You can't go wrong. Getting this going. We got some other stuff up our sleeves here, but this takes 20-25 minutes. So I figured I would get that going. Here's the setup, by the way. We're in a Sonesta suite tonight in Alpharetta, Georgia. So, not bad. I like these hotels where you can cook. That's the only way to go. So, got this going. A little preview, just so you know. We don't do everything from scratch. There's no way. But tonight we're going to have also a little 3-cheese chicken. Why not? Somebody did all the hard work for us. We just got to microwave that. See what else we got. Oh, we got some beer. And we got a nice avocado ranch chopped salad. And maybe if we go all in, we're going to do some potato salad. I can tell you, this chai tea latte. Oh boy, that's so good. Mix that with some almond milk. All right, more to come. Let's take a look at this salad we're gonna make. Let's do a little update on the old rice-a-roni. Oh yeah. I know I'm gonna get a lot of heat for, you're cooking box food or whatever, but I'm in a hotel room, man. This is hotel cooking with Casey Grandpa. Let's take a look at the avocado ranch. See what we got here. See how this kit works. Okay. A lot of crunch. Oh, got some on the floor. Okay, then this looks interesting. We got some crunchy stuff here. And there's the sauce. So let's get this mixed up. All right, so we've got crunchy stuff here. Looks good. Got some cheese. Put that in there. And then we got the avocado dressing. So this is the Walmart avocado ranch salad, and they're calling this chopped salad kit market side avocado ranch. All right, let's get all this good stuff out of here. Making a mess on the floor. Let's give this a stir. I like it. It sounds crunchy. It's something better than just an iceberg salad type salad. Good old iceberg lettuce salad. Something different. There's a lot of variety in here. This might be more like a coleslaw when I get done, It's actually not too bad. Let's flip that around. Oh, the problem is we don't know how to flip. There we go. Why can't we flip the video? Alright, so we're going to go for the 3-cheese bird's eye viola. Let's see what this is. 15 minutes, you'd be ready to eat. Where's our microwave? Open sauce pouch. Oh, we gotta get us a microwave safe dish. 5 minutes and 4 to 5 more. Okay. All right, so here's the problem when you're on the road, man. You're limited to, I mean, what they give you. You got a toaster and, you know, some bowls and stuff. But unfortunately, my only big microwave dish I use for the salad, gotta figure something out here. I don't know if this bowl, that's definitely not big enough. We might be in trouble here. All right, we got saved. We looked in the microwave and we found this bowl. So we got everything in there. It just says, throw it in this bowl, cover her up. Not very good cover. I know my filming is not very good. First attempt on this road cooking. We'll get better. We'll get us a tripod. We're going with that. And let's see what it says. "5 minutes. Stir thoroughly. 4 to 5 more minutes after that." All right, here we go. Got, oh, hot, 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 hot. Give that a stir. It actually looks pretty good. Let's see what happens. There we go. Final product. Not bad. I mean, I'd say this whole meal you're looking at, you know, $10. Yeah, plenty for 2 people. Not bad at all. All right, time to give this a taste test. Let's see what we got. La Paola 3 cheese. Not bad. Not bad at all. Try the salad. Good avocado flavor. Nice crunch. Way better than an iceberg. I'm like, I'll try the broccoli cheese rice-a-roni, but I mean, come on. If you don't know what rice-a-roni tastes like. All right, that does it for episode 1 of Cooking with Grandpa. I'm trying to even think of the name of the show. Road Cooking with Casey, Hotel Cooking with Casey Grandpa. Hotel Cooking with Casey Grandpa. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, like the video and subscribe. We appreciate it.